Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hazelnut praline. Start by gathering toasted hazelnuts, granulated sugar, and a heavy pan, then prepare a baking sheet. We will make both a smooth praline paste and a crunchy brittle so you can choose your texture. I'll guide you through caramelizing sugar, combining nuts, and turning the mixture into paste or shards. The tone is relaxed and practical, with tips to prevent burning and save time. Heat evenly and be patient when making caramel for praline. Begin by melting sugar over medium heat without rushing, and once it liquefies, stop stirring to avoid crystals. Swirl the pan gently if needed, then let the sugar reach a deep amber color for rich flavor. Quickly add the toasted hazelnuts and a pinch of salt, stirring to coat. Work swiftly to spread the mixture for cooling, since caramel sets fast and needs prompt shaping. After coating the nuts, choose your final form for the praline. For brittle, spread the hot mixture thinly on a sheet and let it cool completely before breaking into pieces. For paste, let it cool briefly, then pulse in a food processor until smooth and glossy, adding a splash of neutral oil if needed. Store in an airtight jar at room temperature for up to 2 weeks and warm gently to soften before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.